How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. Let's quickly have a look at the US dollar, Canadian dollar, and I just want to show you something. Okay, guys, before we move on, go visit my website, fxrhapsody.co.za. If you scroll down, you get all your new videos that I post in my blog here, and all you can do is just click on the image and it will take you straight to the video of the previous day. You can see on the side pane here on some very cool features, some news feeds, economic calendar, your trading view platforms that you can click on and go into. Also your video categories. If you're getting started in trading, you just click on the video category over here and it will take you straight to the page of all the videos that you need to watch about trading, how to install MetaTrader, introducing trading, and so forth. And then also you get all your other, your strategies and analysis. And let's get trading. So all these videos are nicely dotted out for you. All you need to do is just click on the description. It will take you straight to the video. I've also got my brokers. If you click on the broker tab, you can see that my preferred brokers are over here. IFX, nice ABOOK broker. If you don't know what it is, just click on the tab. It will tell you exactly what a ABOOK broker is. These guys are brilliant. Minimum deposit of $10, 50% welcome bonus. You can deposit via Ozo, PayFast, School, Bitcoin, and more. They've got amazing spreads. Just click on the spreads and it'll tell you exactly what the spreads are. So click here to join the family, and then also the resource tab, which I explain in my videos every time. Just click on the resource tab, and then you can get a candlestick cheat sheet, and then also the commitment of traders. All you do is download it to your mobile phone, to your laptop, to your MacBook. On the charts for this week. So basically what happened was I just highlighted out the week for you. So for those of you that it's more of a swing trader type of trader, not an intraday, you could see how nicely that the Canadian dollar moved to the upside, and you can see from a clear view how if you had to pull your Fibonacci's, let's say you started last week and you were still in the trade, so basically you would swing up here, swing up there, coming down, tapping that 62% like we always say. So basically you would have entered there and you would have been riding this trend all the way up. Okay, but now obviously we're looking at this week. So again, you can see this nice entry here, swing at the bottom at Monday. So basically you could have actually taken, you could see on, it was last week, when was this, Friday it started moving to the upside and it made it swing to the bottom there. So again, Fibonacci up from the low and then swing high coming down, and you can see this perfect little entry again in the 62% area, actually tapping that 70.5%, the optimum trading entry perfectly. So then riding that trade all the way up, and I just wanted to pull it sideways, the Fibonacci, so you can see that second target area was reached. Let's see if you did not take that entry again from this low to that swing at the top. So it was a deeper retracement, tapping that area, but still going into that area between the 62 and the 79%. Did not break past it. I mean, you place your entry there, stop loss at the bottom, and you just, again, ride it out like you see here, tapping out that second entry. Now, the reason for this drop. Now, guys, when you trade currencies, excuse me, or any other pair, just always be aware of the news. I mean, do not throw news away. Every day, start off my day, I look at the news, I look at what the news is going to be for this day, excuse me, and for the week ahead, especially those high volatile or volatility news, the high risk news. And for those of you that looked at the news, you would have seen that the Bank of Canada, they had this rate decision news that came in, and so it was on the 27th. So basically, that's the time when you are in a trade like this and there's news and it's high risk news. Rather, there's two scenarios. Either you climb out of the trade because, let's say, you entered over here and you were riding your trade up, and let's say This is just if you did this and you had to ride your trade up all the way to here, you were 60 pips in profit already. Rather close your trade. Anything can happen with the news. I mean, the rate decision could have been bad. And then, you know, if it was bad, it was in your favor if you were in a buy and the news would have shot up. But obviously, the comments that came through from the Canadian bank, it just strengthened the loonie. So basically, you saw this big push to the downside that so it traded stronger against the dollar. So the loonie traded stronger against the dollar because of that comments that were made by the Bank of Canada. So basically, always be careful for the news. Scenario 1 would be climbing out of the trade. Scenario 2 is just, you know, in that effect, if you want to take the chance and staying in that news time, put your stop loss just close by. Rather let it tap out and then take the nice profit. I mean, you can see this usually before a news event, price will consolidate a little bit like you saw here. And then rather where it consolidates, where it kind of makes a little bit of a, let's call it a support area, rather just put your stop loss close to that. So if the news goes against you, like it did here, if you were in a buy, let it tap out, rather be out the trade and then wait for a better entry for the next time around. Well, we're looking at the end of the week. Let's see if the bank did say that there's going to be more strengthening of the Canadian dollar. So let's see what happens. Currently, if you pull your Fibonacci from this low, this high to this low swing, you can see how it's retracing back into this area. So will this be a nice area for a sell off? So let's see if by the end of the day that the loonie will actually reach this area here and maybe look for a sell. But I mean, Thursday, maybe Friday, let's have a look at what the market does to do something like that. So that's all from me from this pair. Again, watch that news. Don't forget about it. That should be the first thing that you look at, just to plan your day in your trading, especially if you're intraday trader. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis or this analysis of mine, and just don't forget to press that like button, comment in the comment section, let me know what you think, and also just don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more video content coming your way. Guys, I hope you're having a wonderful week. Stay safe and happy trading.